Introducing Radar, the native token scaling the world's Dapp store. Radar represents an opportunity to directly contribute, govern, and shape DappRadar's future. Be it managing listings, making recommendations, or product decisions, Radar holders will also benefit from enhanced insight, early industry report access, the ability to earn rewards through contribution and curation, stake, and even pay using Radar. And this is just the beginning. So, are you interested in joining the DappRadar journey? Learn more at dappradar.com, the world's Dapp store.